This 2021 Coachmen Chaparral 367BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman is 41 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, skylight, awning, LP detector, Slideout, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Chaparral 367BH is 12,328 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.